StashAway is a digital investment platform designed to simplify investing while offering competitive fees. Understanding the fees is crucial for maximizing returns over time. StashAway charges a management fee that is tiered based on the total assets under management. The fee ranges from 0.2% to 0.8% annually, with the exact rate depending on the investment amount. For balances under $25,000, the fee is 0.8% per year. For amounts between $25,000 and $50,000, the fee drops to 0.7%. For balances between $50,000 and $100,000, the rate is 0.6%, and for anything above $100,000, the fee reduces further to 0.2% per year. There are no trading fees or hidden charges, which differentiate StashAway from traditional investment firms. The platform automatically diversifies investments across ETFs and global assets, meaning the only cost to the investor is the management fee. StashAway also incorporates a safe mode strategy, which adjusts your portfolio risk according to market volatility, without additional costs. Additional costs to be aware of are fund-level fees, which are embedded in the ETFs that StashAway invests in. These typically range from 0.03% to 0.3% per year. While these fees are minor, they are deducted from the fund performance before your returns are calculated. Overall, StashAway's fee structure is transparent and competitive, especially for investors seeking a fully automated, globally diversified portfolio. With fees starting at 0.2% for high balances and no trading fees, it is particularly cost-effective for long-term investors. Comparing this with traditional financial advisors who often charge 1% to 2% annually, StashAway provides a low-cost alternative without compromising portfolio management quality. For anyone looking to grow their wealth efficiently, understanding the StashAway fees ensures that more of your money stays invested, compounding over time, instead of being lost to unnecessary charges.